Hi guys, long time no see. I'm dyeing my hair again. Where is the clips? Where is anything that I need? I should have prepared more for this than I did. Hold up. Okay, so I am doing Arctic Fox Purple AF. I bought this brand new one, not realizing that in my closet I had a half-used bottle of Purple AF and a bottle that seems pretty empty of Purple Rain. So I have a trio of Arctic Fox purple dyes, and we're gonna see how much we have before we start doing anything. That way I don't run out. I only have one pair of gloves left, so I'm hoping that this goes well. Wow, that was exciting. I was thinking of putting some conditioner in it so it came out a little bit lighter, but then I thought, you know, it's gonna fade. Like my magenta faded to like a light pink, so I know it's gonna fade to a lighter color anyway. So why bother, you know? Why bother making it lighter when it's gonna get lighter on its own anyway? I got as much of, oh, I got some on my finger already. It's not a hair dye video if I don't get some dye on my hands. But I got as much of the Purple Rain, the Purple AF as I could get into this bowl. It smells delicious. That's something I've always noticed about Arctic Fox, is that the hair dye smells great. Also, Arctic Fox, sponsor me. That's probably not the right way to ask. Please sponsor me, Arctic Fox. I use your hair dye all the time. I even had extras of your dye in my closet that I didn't even realize that I had because I keep buying more of them, and then I lose track of what I have and what I don't have. Arctic Fox commented on my last hair dye video and said that they love it. Thank you, Arctic Fox. Shout out to you, because I love your products. I want to try some of their hair care products actually, because I didn't realize that they did so much more. This is how I get out the excess dye. I apologize for the sound. Now we have our Purple Rain. I'm not sure how much is left in this, but we're gonna find out. Looks like not a lot. There's like nothing in there, so that's fine. I'll shake all of these up with some conditioner or something to get the last little bits out of them the next time I do a purple moment. But I think we're gonna be good with purple for today. I think I have plenty of purple in the bowl. So what I'm gonna do, oh, that's fine, is I'm gonna brush my hair. I'm gonna do this better than I did last time, but still probably not the way that you guys are gonna like. I'm gonna go back to my old way of doing this, where I'm going to flip up all of the hair, leaving one layer down. I'm gonna do that layer and then move on and keep adding more hair until I get all of it going. That's usually not the method that people like, but that's the method that I do. Gloves. Always wear gloves. I had a box of 50 gloves because I always take the gloves off and then realize that I still need the gloves. I did not buy more gloves. This is my last pair of gloves. So that's fine. This is fun. I'm sure it'll be great. I didn't Vaseline anything this time because I really don't have a good answer for you. I just didn't feel like it. It's my honest answer. Usually it comes off pretty decently in the shower, so that's good. I have pulled up all of my hair. This is unicorn time, guys. Unicorn time. Where I pull all of my hair in the front, clip it with a little clippity-doo-dah, and I have one wonky section in the back, which is probably not straight, but I can't tell. You tell me, is it? Probably not. And then what I do is I grab a little chunk at a time and I hair dye it up. Doody-doody-doo. Okay, we're just gonna go for it, guys. Here we go. There's no going back now. Don't stop me now. Something I don't like, honestly, I love making these videos, but I used to dye my hair to music. Speaking of, when I am not dyeing my hair on camera, I still post hair updates on my social media, which is usually my Instagram or my TikTok, so you guys should follow that. It's on the screen right now. It should be. Editing Summer, please put my Instagram on the screen, please. That's one purple strand of hair. I always underestimate how dark this purple is. We're just gonna go. Oh, that's gonna look like a hickey. It's fine. It's fine. Also, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and do all of the things. I'm trying to apply to get monetized, and I can't do that until I get to 500 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I'm almost at the 4,000 watch hours, but I do need more subscribers, and you guys are the only ones that can help me with that, so please help me out. Even if you don't watch all the time, just press that button because it'll help me out. I feel like a real YouTuber for saying that. Wow. Am I a YouTuber yet? Hey, look, Ma, I made it. I definitely didn't rub that in all the way in my roots, but I can't see back there, so I'm winging it. Oh, that piece is still pink. Why is it not taking purple? Sometimes on my previously dyed hair, it doesn't like to accept hair dye, which is fine. It can do what it wants. I won't judge it. I'm gonna put this purple piece back there, and we're gonna start over here. Now you guys will be able to see it better, at least. I'm trying not to use too much because I want this to last for my whole head of hair. I've had quite a few circumstances where I have ran out of dye or almost ran out of dye. I had to mix it with other dye and then it looks odd. And then people will be like, oh, I love your two-toned hair. And I'm like, thanks, it's by accident, but I'm glad someone likes it. One time I got just the underneath of my hair dyed, or not the underneath, the like bottom pieces. I went to the salon to get an ombre, and this one experience is why I don't go to the salon to get my hair done, because she did not do an ombre. In fact, she did a straight across line, and I didn't know that she did that until I washed my hair, because she curled it. She was like, do you want it curled? And obviously I was like, hell yeah, I want it curled. Curl it up, girl boss. So never get it curled. Always look at it first and make sure they didn't dupe ya if you go to the salon to get it done. Capiche? Caposh. I'm living my best life in unicorn land right now. I hope y'all know what I'm talking about when I say that. It's because of my hair being tied up like this. We love liking the color because look at the color. Okay, you can't see it very well on this camera because I'm using my phone camera because I don't have a camera. Maybe if I get monetized, I'll use the money to buy a camera. And then the videos will look less crunchy. You know what I mean by crunchy. I try to do them the highest quality they can go. I always try to upload them the highest of quality that I can do. But you still get left with a crunchy video sometimes, and that's my bad. Now we let this down, we let it unravel, and we go for the next level. Oh, please don't get on my forehead. Okay, unicorn time again. Oh, this unicorn is extra up there. Unicorn time. It's unicorn time. Okay, the unicorn horn is starting to get a little invasive. It's in my eyeball right there. Okay, that didn't help. I'm making sure I get the baby hairs, but that does mean that I'm gonna have dye on the side of my face, but that is a norm for me. That usually happens because my baby hairs grow very weirdly. I like the consistency of this dye because it's like not too thin and not too thick. It's like a conditioner. And I think I heard someone say, I was watching the videos on Amazon and they were saying something about it being a conditioning dye. I'm not sure on like all of the details of that, but it feels very nice. Arctic Fox, I love you, please sponsor me. Okay, I'll stop that now. Uh-oh, we're having unicorn malfunctions again. Oh no, it's in my ear. I'm gonna have a purple ear, guys. It's like not just on my ear, it's in there. And that's okay. I'm learning to accept and live with my purple ears. The most annoying part is dyeing my bangs. I hate dyeing my bangs because it's like right in my face usually. I'm trying to make sure I get all of the pink pieces to be purple. I mean, it doesn't necessarily matter all that much if there's a little bit of pink left in there, but I'm trying my best for there not to be. I was like, oh no, I got some on my arm, it's just my tattoo. I thought I got dye on my arm because I saw a little something, and it was just my tattoo. Time to de-unicorn again. We're gonna do a bun this time instead of a unicorn, because if I unicorn, it will be like to my nose, and then I won't be able to see anything. And I can't have that because I need to see what I'm doing. Now this is the hairstyle I should rock. I was gonna cross my arms and then I realized I had dye on my hands. So that would have been funnier. Just know that it would have been. This is the part of the video where I start to worry about the amount of dye that I have left. I'm like 80% sure that I have enough, but not 100%. I am fully saturating these pieces so that everything is fully purple, but it'll be weird if I have purple hair and pink bangs on top. That'll be weird. Maybe not like weird, because pink bangs and purple hair is fine, but not like faded weird pink with blonde roots. Oh, that's gonna look like a hickey. I have one spot on my neck that I didn't realize was there. I'll have to makeup remover that. I found out makeup remover works great for getting off hair dye. If you ever get permanent dye on you, one of my roommates from college last semester suggested that I use micellar water, and I had, oh my god, I had permanent hair dye, permanent brown hair dye all over me. And I had a photo shoot the next, not like a photo shoot, but like a photographer coming in to take photos for a show that I was in and my college, and I used the micellar water that they recommended I use. It took the permanent dye, like it took some elbow grease, but it got the permanent dye off and nothing else was getting it off of me. So I was like, wow, I'm gonna need to invest in some micellar water. I am a lot less panicked now. It's looking like I'm definitely gonna have enough dye, so that's good. No freaking out for me right now, which is good. We don't love crying while putting in hair dye, although that's definitely happened before, but not for reasons that you'd think it was. This piece is kind of tangled, which worries me a little bit, because I can't go grab a brush right now. I think it will be fine. Also guys, my hair is a lot less damaged now. I listened to what you said and I bought some hair masks. I tried out a few different kinds. I got like a more expensive one and a cheaper one. Not like super expensive, but like reasonably priced versus like cheap. And I tried some out and my hair feels a lot better. Of course, it's not like it's never gonna be like completely like fixed or beautifully amazing until like it grows out again, because of what happened with the bleach. But I think it's okay for now. If you're wondering what happened with the bleach, you can check out that video. If I remember, which maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't usually remember to put these. It'll be linked up here in this corner right now. Maybe. We'll see. I think this is the last layer? Question mark? Oh yeah, it's all crimpy and wavy from being up in the bun. Now is the part of the video yet again where I start to worry about the amount of dye I have. I thought I definitely had enough and now it's looking a little sparse. My arms are starting to hurt from putting this in. Oh my god. Time for the baying. I just got some in my elbow crevice. We're in the final stretch, guys. My phone died, but that's okay. I had just enough dye to do my whole head of hair. Like, just enough. Like, I had none left in the bowl when I finished. But it's all done. It's all got. The baby hairs are got. And there's a little bit of dye on my tattoo. But that's fine. It'll go away. It'll be fine. I'm gonna rinse this out in a little bit. And then I will get back to you guys. The video, I don't know where you guys are at with this video. How long the time has been for you. But for me, putting in the hair dye took over 45 minutes. We were like almost at an hour there. So I'll definitely be editing that down. I'll see you after I rinse this out. Goodbye. Alright guys, I have showered and this is my hair now. I covered all of the places, which is good. I'm gonna try this Dove spray today. This is a 7-in-1 Miracle Mist. It says on here that it visibly repairs damaged hair, strengthens, nourishes without wearing hair down, controls frizz, detangles, smooths, and restores shine. Perfect for blow dry and air dry. I don't know. I wanted to give it a shot, so we're gonna do that today. I don't know how much of this to put in. Usually with my oils and stuff, I put quite a lot. But if this is gonna be more conditioner-esque, then I don't want a whole bunch of it, because I don't want it to make my hair greasy. It says I shouldn't weigh my hair down, so I'm gonna trust it. I put a good amount. It already feels like, on my hand, it feels a little more conditioner-esque than a mist, than a leave-in like misty mist. If it was gonna be a leave-in conditioner type of situation, I feel like they should have said that. Oh, okay. I'm understanding the appeal. I enjoy it. We'll see what it looks like when it's dry. I'm just gonna let it air dry, so I'll probably update you guys on this tomorrow morning or the next day whenever I get a chance to update you. Also, I wore waterproof eyeliner and I washed my face in the shower, believe it or not, but this is a new eyeliner and it did not come off. So I don't know if you guys are interested in that. It's Wet n Wild breakup proof eyeliner. It's pretty good. It came off in some places, but that's pretty dang good for being hit with shower water and soap. So makeup remover, micellar water, that'll do the trick. See you when this is dry. I forgot to give you guys an update, but this is after one wash. I love this color. This color is beautiful. This is what I needed. I have the front part of my hair tied up right now. You can see my little bangs making their little feather look moment because they don't fit all the way yet. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And my hair feels a lot healthier now than it has been. I also listened to you guys and I've been trying I've been trying hair masks. That's gonna be all for today's video. Yeah, hope your day is as beautiful as you are. Goodbye.